Hello everyone, in today's exercise we will see how to create a frequency table from a given data set. So we have a given data set belonging to Chitral population and Sambar population. Let's see. First we need to identify the smallest and highest biggest value from the given data set, so that will become very easier to create the frequency table. So let's say I'll identify first 13 is the lowest one, then there is a 6 in it, so 6 is the lowest one, and then 6 is the lowest one, the highest one will be what? Just let me search it out. Okay, 120 till 120 is the highest value. So let's see how to create it. 6, 7, 8. Write it out. 120. Is it? Okay. So now create a tally value. 22, 7, 55, 89, 1, 2. Then again we have 82 and 13. 82, 54, 31, 29, 31, 29, 30, 40, 6, 8, 30, 6, 8, 90, 91, 45. So 45, 90, 45, 52, 65, 45, 50. 52, 45, 59, 45, again 59, 67, 54, 13, 33, 33, 13 is traced, 43, 54, 43 and 54, 67, 87, 67, 90, 98, 98, 87, 66. 77, 68, 5. 76, 99, 76, 89, 90, 110, 65, 66, 65, 66, 54, 55, 54, 45, 67, 72, 67, 52, 33, 39, 33, 39, 98, 77, 98, 77, 65, 11, 12, 23, 17, 26, 34, 56, 82, 89, 11, 18, 19, 52. So I have completed scanning of all these given values under a frequency table. So now I'll just create total values here. Now the 45 is having a largest frequency, so I select H column as a total value column. It's a very quick process if you know how to do it. So, so whatever fields are vacant, so you can delete it. Has no entry. 9 and 10 are having no entry. 14, 15, 16 having no entry. 10, 21 are having no entry. 24, 25 having no entry. Delete. Make sure that you are deleting all those rows which are having no entry of the values. Do it very carefully. So a final frequency for these given are plotted in the column H. So this column is for now. That way we make a frequency table. Now see how to create a histogram using these values which we have created from a given data set by following frequency tally. So to here, insert charts, histogram. Yeah. Now go to quick layout. We'll check what by default samples are available in the histogram format. So we'll customize a new layout according to our choice. Titles, customize font size, share, 12, 12. The size of the font should be large enough that is able to read clearly. Title to this graph, this is, let's give the histogram. Data, histogram. Citing status of cheater. Sightings. Customize it. In this one, okay, if you want to read this histogram, so what these bars are saying, The largest bar is saying that values which are counted as single time or twice, means 1 1 1 or 2 2 2, have occurred more in numbers in comparison of other values are written as 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5. The 4 and 5 are there, 5 to 6. Let me check once more. 4 and 5. Delete this 2. So there should not be any vacant row which will create gap between bars. So there is no 4 and 5 reported value, so that's why this column is vacant. Again, we have 5, 6 reported values at very low level. I mean, once or twice it is reported. 6 is reported over here, 5 and 6, and then 5, 6 once, 6 is reported. So 4, 5 is vacant, means this value is only represented by the 6 numeric value which is reported only once. But whatever values are reported more than 40 times or up to 40 times are occurred at 1 or 2